Jerry had a fancy phone. He had a razor. That was as close as he got. And he went into the river with the razor in his pocket. And he's like, oh, it's okay. And I'm like, yeah, Jerry, yeah. We'll need to give you like one of the big old phones, like the ones that have the, you know, the old stuff. So you can feel like you're talking on it and shit. You use your phone like that. Too small in your pocket.
Yeah, I had the red one for like 4 years. I had a blue one. I only had 3 phones since 2007.
I've had... Oh, shit. I think I had one. I had Samsung 40. And I got the plate for the car. So, that was 3. So...
Yeah.
When my other phone got warped from me leaving in the car for 12 plus hours. Well, this is because at the time at my job we weren't allowed to bring it in.
Right.
And then at one point they're like, oh, by the way, now you can bring your phones in. I'm like, good. Because my shit was exploding in the car. It was baking.
Yep.
Warped shit. Hey, you pooped on me. Don't be spilling that hot poop at me. That's what you do, and that's what we're saying. I need to know that. You doing some weird stuff. You didn't touch him. That's...
Yeah, this time I'm just checking my elevation.
She's like, I wish I caught that on camera.
Yeah, exactly.
Nothing. I don't know what you're talking about. Nah, I'm not going to say it right now. It's inappropriate.
Yep.